Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go, Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. You come and have a little fun, what your girl can't see.
What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today we have a challenge. So today we are doing the, let me get the name right, y'all. One Bite Seafood Boil Mukbang Challenge, King Crab, Mega Prawn, Lobster Tails by Queen Beast. So if you are new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So yes, today we're doing the challenge, y'all. So we have to take one bite of whatever we eat. You can't bite it 3, 4, 5 times like I like to do. I'm gonna try and hang with them, y'all, but I can't make no promises, but I'm definitely going to try. I gotta bring out Big Bite Betty. So I have broccoli, I have mega prawns, I have king crab, I have lobster tails, I have potatoes, eggs, bell peppers, corn, and B-Love Smackalicious sauce. So I hope that's everything I have. And we'll be trying a new drink today. I thought the bottle was so cute, so I wanted to try it. It's called King Coconut Water. So we'll see. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in and get started. Woo, what we're gonna do first? We're gonna do something easy, like we're gonna go with the broccoli. A big piece of broccoli. It's good though. I'm getting another piece. Ooh, spicy. Ooh. All right. It's not easy, y'all. And I don't have a big bite, so I don't know why I volunteered. All right, I got a potato. Put a little sauce on it. I should have put the sauce up in the front.
Okay, so first of all, that potato almost got caught in my throat. I was trying to keep it together, keep it cute. But yeah, I almost choked out that potato. You see it? It got jammed up in my throat.
Girl, I better open my water. You better have to call the ambulance back here. That's a lot. Alright, so we did broccoli. I don't know how we're gonna do this king crab. Let me just open it. But these king crab been tricky lately though. Alright, let's see. Okay. Open that thing up. I don't want to cut it. All right, there we go. Woo. Sorry. Are you fine, baby? Child, look at it. Look. The king crab been a little. We ain't gonna worry about it. Okay. So this is our king crab. All right, we gotta do all this right here.
Okay, so first of all, I still got the potato jammed in my throat. So it's sitting in my chest right now. Now I got the whole king crab in my mouth. I'm still trying to keep it cute. But baby, I don't know why I did this challenge right here. Me out of all people. Lord have mercy. Help me. I'm shaking my head like, come on, somebody, please come help me.
I thought that was gonna be a lot bigger, but it wasn't.
You done yet? That's good. I love you.
All right, we got the king crab down.
Barely.
Now, I don't know, should I do the mega prawn next or the egg? Which one y'all think?
Do the egg.
Do the egg? All right. Got a boiled egg. Woo! Have mercy. One bite.
Child, I feel like somebody done stuck a Popeye's biscuit down my throat. I'm trying to swallow. I don't know why moving my hands make it feel like it's gonna go down. But yeah, I feel like I done swallowed a big Popeye's biscuit.
I feel like I need some broccoli to wash it down. My egg thick. Shoot. It's not bad as I thought though. Let me not talk because you know I'm quick to mess around and all right, let's wash it down some with this. I'm about to say, shoot, I can't even open it. All right.
It's time dipping.
It's not my favorite coconut water, but it's alright. Let's go with the Perrier. It's alright. We was classy yesterday. Now we guzzling today. Alright, we got the egg down. We got the broccoli down. We got the potato, king crab. Let's go and get the prawn. I'll go with this one. Alright, we're gonna go with the prawn. I don't know why I put ooh. Ooh, it's hot. 2 times spicy on there. Oh, let me take the tail off because I can't bite it. Alright, so here we go. When you eat like this, you get full. Probably because it's sitting all in your chest.
That's that dry egg sitting in my chest and that thick potato.
I put my bell peppers up here. That ain't part of the challenge, I don't think. That and like the corn. Cause you can't eat that in one bite. So I just eat on those after the challenge. Alright, yeah, that wasn't too bad. Okay, now we're gonna do the lobster tail. Well, let me get this meat right here because I don't want nobody to say you left the meat. Alright. I'll put it together. I can't eat that.
Well, it ain't in the thumbnail.
Okay, so I can't eat the lobster tail. It's too soft, y'all. I'll eat another prawn in place of it. This is about the same size anyway. All right. That wasn't bad. That was not bad. I couldn't do that lobster tail because my lobster tail was too soft. I don't like mushy lobster tails. But other than that, I think I did good. I really didn't think I was going to be able to do that king crab. That looked hard. I should try this bell pepper. Which one? They all look big. That's too big. That's way too big. Nah, I ain't finna try that. I just eat this. That's when you be really back there calling the ambulance. That's good though. So anyway, shout out to Queen Beast. Cause her and Beast Mode definitely, I can't compete with them. I just figured I'd get the participation award. So she put a whole sausage or something in her mouth. No ma'am. So anyway, thank y'all for watching the video yesterday. I really appreciate it. That soup was so good. Oh, let me tell you, it was another place I wanted to try, like their clam chowder, but they were closed, and they only open, they don't open on Mondays. So their actual clam chowder on the menu says award-winning clam chowder. So y'all know I got to try that. I got to at least taste it. I don't know if y'all ever heard of tin fish, but I read their menu and that's what the menu said, award-winning clam chowder. I was like, okay, we're gonna try it. We gonna see. So yeah, I can't wait for that. Oh, thank you to everybody that answered the questions. Y'all kids, some of you already have kids and some of you don't. Some of y'all were saying you would name them certain names, and the names are actually really pretty. I was like, goodness. But yeah. So shout out to all y'all who participated in the little random questions. They were random. Too random. This not part of the challenge. I already finished the challenge. I done finished the challenge. So you can't do corn. And I'm not about to put the whole thing in my mouth. It's good though. It's real good. So we're at the last of the month. Finally. I don't know why it seemed like this month flew by so fast. I don't know, every day seems like it fly by fast. That's what I meant to ask y'all. I'm usually late, but y'all probably know. Did y'all know that y'all can rent someone's backyard? Their pool is called Swimmerly or something like that. At least you heard of that?
No, I never heard of that.
Yeah, you can rent their pool just like you do Airbnbs. So the lady on TikTok was saying that you could rent the pool area in the pool for, I think she paid $45 an hour.
What about the bathroom?
Yeah, you get access to the bathroom, you get access to the little play slide area. And she said a lot of people have been doing it.
Oh, that would be a cute little pool party.
Yeah, a little pool party. So if you don't have no pool and you don't want to go with a community pool, you know, you can go and rent someone's backyard. The pool will be clean. And in the winter, because a lot of people's like, man, I'm so upset because, you know, it's about to be winter. They have heated pools too. I said, now you know what?
Yeah, that's what's up.
That is crazy.
Wonder where they clean up for you.
No, I think you gotta clean up your own little stuff now. You can't leave your stuff all over the people's pool. But I thought that was so neat. Swimmerly. I think that's what the name of it was. I thought, God, it's almost nothing you can't rent.
Yeah, if you don't want a bunch of random people coming to your house, that's a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Or you know, like they school friends and stuff.
Yeah. That was crazy, y'all. I just thought that was so different.
Big man.
Oh, Lord. So I thought about doing this bell pepper in one bite. There ain't no way in the world.
Ain't no way, boy.
Ain't no way, boy. I want another egg, though. I thought I had 2 on here. Where are you, little egg? What is she laughing about, Lisa?
It's a distraction.
Okay. I'm gonna do another egg. Then when you go to showing out, when you think you comfortable with the challenge and something happen, just put your finger on speed dial. Put your finger on speed dial, girl. All right, I got it. I don't think I ever put a whole egg in my mouth. And that's the first. Or a whole king crab. Oh, there's the other egg. Woo. I didn't know how to oh. That's it for the challenge, because I'm stuck. I don't know why, but I feel like it's all up in here. But that was a cool challenge. Woo! Alright, y'all, so I tried. The only thing I didn't do was a lobster, and that was because it was too soft. Soft. So I have to have my lobster like firm and chewy, but that one was soft. But I think I did very well. Y'all let me know how I did. So anyway, thank y'all so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.